When you're preparing for your next tire, I really want you to understand what you're responsible for. And I'm going to tell you why. Because you're picking up stuff you're not responsible for. You're responsible for the direction and the destination. That's you. You're responsible for setting goals and expectations. That's you too. You're also responsible for showing them a path to financial stability and success. By the way, that's you. And you've got to be able to give them the resources to make that happen. But this is where your responsibility ends and their accountability begins. You are not responsible for how they show up. If you've got everything there, you got a great facility, I got this, I got this, I got this. Now all you can do is invite them, ask them to get on your bus. If they're not willing to get on your bus, then they shouldn't be there. Or if they're on your bus, but they're not part of it, then don't keep them there. You spend some time working on them, working to get it better. But if they're not there, don't convince them, replace them. They've got to want it.